Blessed morning, my dear brothers and sisters. If you happen to watch a game, be it a group sport or a one-on-one competition, most especially when a team or an individual would grapple against his or their opponent, lalo't higit kapag naghahabol ng score, most especially when it's already crunch time, when 3 minutes would still be there or available, it's already the last 2 minutes, at humabol ang koponan na ito. We would often hear commentators or people telling that team, that team is already on fire. They were on fire maybe because they are determined to say to themselves that we must not be losing. They are firm to their resolve that we've worked hard for this and then we must win this game. They are resolved to say that we must finish this game gaining the prize for us. A team that is on fire. A team that is resolved, determined, and firm, so as to win the prize, so as to see the fruit of their labor. My dear brothers and sisters, if we wish to see the tone, the disposition, and the spirit living within Jesus with his words in today's gospel, we can tell that Jesus was on fire. He was on fire not that he was there to make division, to make big decisions in life, but being on fire, being Jesus on fire would mean he is determined to see accomplishments. He was resolved to see the plans of God for the life of people. He was firm to see every step of the way that he would like to see. Hindi pa petiks-petiks ika nga si Jesus. Hindi lalambot-lambot. Hindi hihina-hina. Kundi punong-puno ng apoy, punong-puno ng lakas, punong-puno ng prinsipyo para sa kanyang mga alagada at para po sa atin. And Jesus would like to invite us to be the same. Jesus invites us to be firm, to be determined, and to be resolved. Hindi na ninanais na binigyan tayo ng apoy sa buhay na ito, pero tayo naman na parang hinang-hina, parang tila walang buhay. Hindi naman ninanais ng Diyos sa bawat isa sa atin na simula pa lang ng araw ay parang ramdam natin na matutulog na agad tayo o uwian na dahil wala na tayong lakas at wala na tayong apoy. Let us keep that flame alight inside our hearts, to be on fire once more. That as we do our actions, our mission, our everyday principle in life, let us be on fire, resolved, firm, and determined, like Jesus, following his Father and seeing things accomplished through God's most holy will.